Welcome the our channel. Today we how to withdraw lab results from MyChart into Notes using AI step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the MyChart login page. Enter your username and password to access your MyChart account. Once logged in, locate the Health tab on the main menu. Click on the Health tab to expand the drop-down options. Select Test Results from this list to view your lab results. Review the list of available lab results displayed on the page. Identify the specific lab result you wish to withdraw. Click on the result to open the detailed view. In the detailed view, look for the Download or Export option. Click on the Download button to save the lab results to your device. Next, open your preferred note-taking application or software. Create a new document for your notes. Now, return to the downloaded lab results file on your device. Open the file and review the data carefully. Highlight the key points or results you wish to include in your notes. Copy the highlighted information to your clipboard. Switch back to your note-taking application. Paste the copied information into your new document. To enhance your notes, consider summarizing complex results in your own words. If using AI tools, open the AI Note Enhancement application. Paste the results you want to improve into the AI tool. Review any suggestions provided by the AI. Incorporate the AI-generated suggestions into your notes as needed. Make sure to format your notes for clarity and understanding. Save your completed notes in your desired format. You can now close both the MyChart and Note applications. Your lab results are successfully withdrawn and documented in your notes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.